Why did we choose alligator rather than apple, which is a purer sound? Authors of ABC books make many artistic and literary decisions. We actually put an apple on the page with the alligator for teachers using a program that teaches apple. However, we chose alligator because it is more memorable visually and emotionally. And I take a bit of poetic license when I say the word. I say alligator, elongating the initial vowel. This is a good time to show you just the first section of our letters and symbols tutorial so you know how easy it will be for you to learn not just alligator, but A through Z.
We're going to start with learning all the signs for the ASL letters and the corresponding phonics symbols. I'm excited to show you how easy it can be. Let's start with A. A. For alligator, both hands simulate the opening and closing of an alligator's jaws. Alligator. For B, the fingers are straight up in the air and the thumb is across the palm. B. To make the sign for bear, cross your arms across your chest and claw like a bear. Bear. For C, the fingers and thumb curve, like the letter C on a printed page. C. For cat, the thumb and index finger pull beside your mouth to show the whiskers of a cat. Cat. For D, all the fingers except the index finger come to touch the thumb. The index finger stays straight up. D. For dog, start with slapping the thigh and end with a snap, like calling a dog. Dog. For the song, you might only be able to fit in the thigh slap, and that's just fine. For E, the fingertips rest on the thumb. E. To make the sign for elephant, your hand traces the shape of an elephant's trunk. Elephant. In the sign for F, the thumb and index finger touch each other, and the other fingers are splayed out. F. We keep this same hand shape for the sign for fox and twist it in front of the nose. Fox. For G, the thumb and index finger are out just like this, but we hold it flat like a tabletop. G. For goat, the hand starts in a fist by the chin and moves up into a V. This shows the beard and horns of a goat. Goat. For H, the index and middle finger are pointing to the side. H. For hat, simply tap your head where you would wear a hat. Hat. Some people prefer to use the sign for happy in this song. I'll show you what that looks like. For happy, the hand moves up in front of the chest, like happy feelings. Happy. For I, the pinky finger sticks up in the fisted hand. I. For insect, the thumb touches the nose and the first two fingers wiggle like the antenna of an insect. Insect. J uses the same I hand shape, but we curve it to show the shape of a J. J. For jump, the non-dominant hand lays flat, and a V-shaped hand tips upside down and jumps on that hand. Jump. The sign for K has the index and middle fingers spread apart wide and the thumb in between. K. To make the sign for kangaroo, put your hands in front of your body and hop them up and down, like a kangaroo jumping. Kangaroo.
You can continue studying this free YouTube video on our ABC tab, or you can bring the new ABC Phonics DVD with the slower tutorial into your classroom and learn right along with your students. Look at high-level Common Core vocabulary connections. Prepositional words, downward, outward, upward, verbs, imitate, circling, mimicking, catching. Next generation science standards, erupting hot lava, talking about animal habitats. Alligators are reptiles. And let's look at weather. S, sunshine. R, rainbow. Research shows that some learners need much more intensive, systematic ABC phonics instruction to build the reading brain. Identify those children early in the year. It may be only 2 or 3 students, or it may be as many as a third or half the class. Give those students more good first teaching. Multisensory repetition using one consistent sound symbol system. Start with what is known and then target 4 unknown letters at a time. Use brain-friendly response to intervention strategies. Every day, ask the child to write their name ticket and fingerspell and name the letters. Give all children an authentic, rich writing to read curriculum. We intentionally create a growth mindset by giving children specific encouragement rather than generic praise. Wow, you almost know every letter and sound. Keep practicing those last 4 letters, W through Z. How did you learn the letters in your name? You know every single one of them. Soon you'll be an ABC phonics expert. You learned the whole alphabet, letters, sounds, signs, and fingerspelling. Aren't you proud of yourself? To build emotional resilience, research says praise children's efforts, perseverance, and willingness to try new things, not how smart they are. Specific encouragement is much more helpful than generic praise. How does this approach work with English language learners? It honors children who are learning English. Some English language learners may learn the ASL ABC phonics song quicker than their English-speaking classmates, and that feels good. Many English language learners will learn sign language before they learn to speak English. They need to see, hear, and feel and manipulate language. They need strategies that have personal meaning. And music is a powerful memory hook. What do teachers and parents say about using fingerspelling and sign language in the classroom? Teachers love accelerated learning. They love to see how engaged and happy the children are. Children love it. They're proud of their accomplishments for learning this new task. They come in and say, I learned the whole song. I'm ready to perform it. Parents appreciate seeing their child's motivation and enthusiasm for learning. They often say, my child is teaching everyone the song. She just wants to practice all the time. Experienced students are challenged. Developmentally younger students can still be successful learners. We give all students a curriculum that makes us smile. How does this accelerated learning approach to ABC and phonics skills work with required district reading programs? Accelerated ABC phonics mastery enhances any literacy program. New reading adoptions change over time. Music, fingerspelling, and sign language are powerful literacy and life skills, now and forever. Here's what the ABC Phonics Sing, Sign, and Read book looks like when you superimpose the astronaut symbol from one reading adoption using Google Art. Kindergarten friends, look at all the things on this page that start like alligator. We have apple and astronaut. I couldn't find a sign for astronaut. What does Sammy the signing bear remind children to do? Use strong finger muscles. Signing friends, no lazy, weak muscles here. We're building strong finger muscles for writing. Sit with good sit and learn posture so you can breathe and get oxygen to your brain. Focus so you can fingerspell and sign with accuracy. Sing, sign, and read closely. And remember, you can all read. We have created a kindergarten culture of readers and book lovers. Our reading chant is, reading is fun. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Reading is fun for everyone. The more you read, the better you read. So read, read, read. Study your district literacy program meticulously. Look at how you can enhance any ABC and phonics instruction through the arts. We believe in family involvement. Our goal is to make the family literacy habit a nightly tradition. To reach rigorous Common Core standards, families must commit to sing, talk, read, and write every day and every night. Parents as partners is not an option. It's a vital part of raising academic standards.